Alright, so 80% win rate strategy. I took an absolute banger trade yesterday that I'm going to show you. And I'm going to show you a few more things about my strategy that have been really cooking for me recently. But basically just going to show you the strategy, show you the trade that I took yesterday that absolutely printed for me. And I'm going to basically show you my strategy in a bit more detail. If you do want to get alerts and signals for this, you can get them in the description below. Please do like and subscribe because it really helps out the channel. And let's just get into it and show you what the trade that I took. So it was Monday yesterday. We opened up with this huge big weekly, this new week opening gap here, which we came up and filled promptly overnight here, as you can see. Basically before I woke up, I'm on UK time, so I woke up here at about London session. And I'm thinking we filled this gap, which is obviously quite bullish. We've obviously swept out tons of liquidity here with this big dump, followed by the pump back up. So I'm thinking since we filled this gap so quickly, we're going to be pretty bullish for the week. I'm always just looking for longs anyway. And very simply, my strategy is just a sweep of liquidity followed by an inverted fair value gap back to the upside like this. And then I just enter on the inversion. I size for about halfway between the gap and the low. And then I'll just target a 1-for-1. Take half my position off at 1-for-1 and then just hold runners back up through the liquidity. That's the simple version of the strategy. Like I said, if you want to get more details about it, you can get them in the description below. Sign up to the WOP where you can talk to me every day about your trades. And you can also look at the trades, all of the trades that I take, and more details about the strategy are in there as well. So I think if you know anything about my strategy, you can see where I'm going with this. But you can see pretty obviously we are looking pretty bullish here. And then, like I said, I'm looking at these areas of liquidity, these really obvious swing lows where we could get trades from. Like I said, I'm looking for sweeps of these obvious lows and then inversions back to the upside. And then as you can see here, this is exactly what we got. Really, really obvious area of liquidity here. This big wick, all of these smaller candles here in this area, really obvious area of liquidity. Because we know if you trade like ICT concepts like I do, you are basically assuming the market's going to go and work out these inefficiencies, sweep out liquidity, and then usually it will reverse and target the opposite liquidity. At least that's what I've found. And basically this is my trade. So you can see quite clearly here, we've come up, we're obviously bullish, and then I'm waiting for my sweep of liquidity. We come down, we sweep liquidity here. Let me just do this on replay mode actually, so you can see exactly what I was looking for. So I'm thinking, I've got these levels marked beforehand. And then if I just wind this on, you can see we get this good impulse down. We get the sweep of the liquidity here. And you can see we're getting a really bullish reaction to this. So immediately when I see this 5-minute candle close like this, I'm thinking, okay, what gaps have we got? We've got a really obvious fair value gap here on the 5-minute, haven't we? And then I'm thinking, I'm watching the 1-minute, 2-minute, 3-minute and 5-minute. And I'm just looking and seeing how we close. And then we get this absolutely amazing candle, as you can see here. This is a perfect 3 candle pattern V shape. These are the most highly probable, in my opinion, trades that you can take in the market. Sweep of liquidity and then a 3 candle pattern V shape like this. If I can actually draw a straight line, there you go. These are the most obvious trades in the market for me that work. They have a 80 or even 90% win rate depending on how good the sweep is. But generally if you get a good sweep of liquidity like this and then a 3 candle pattern V shape, these trades work for me so often, it's unreal. You don't see them that often. Sometimes they're 4 or 5 candles, but they still work pretty well. But if you see a 3 candle pattern V shape looking like this is basically perfect for what I'm looking for. So as we can see here, we've got all the criteria for my trade. We're obviously bullish. We come down with sweep liquidity, we get a really bullish reaction. So as I said, I size about $150, $200 per trade, copy traded across like 25 accounts. And then very simply what I do is I'll size between the low and the gap. So about $150 risk here. And then as I said, I'm targeting 1-for-1 for my first TP. So we come up here, we actually test into this gap above and we look like we're rejecting. We come back to break even and then we get a great reaction heading to the upside. You can see we basically, I think we did just about hit 1-for-1. I think it might be the next candle. I'm pretty sure we hit 1-for-1 here. There we go. So we hit 1-for-1. So I take half my position off at 1-for-1 as I said, which is here. That was about $75, $100. And then what I do is once I take my first scale, I go break even on the rest of the trade. And then because my win rate's so high, I don't mind taking a negative RR on the first scale. Because when I get 80% win rate, basically every 4 out of 5 trades on average, I'll always hit a 1-for-1. So I'm banking like $400 before I'm ever risking the $200 on the stop loss, if that makes sense. So basically I'm happy to take 0.5 RR of my trade and go break even on the rest because the win rate is so high. I found that this works good for me personally, because usually if we come back and hit my break even after this point, I'll know that I'm wrong. I'll know that I'm wrong on the trade, and usually it will just continue down like this, and it was just a short-term retracement. But if I'm right on the trade, I'll usually end up making $500, $600 per account on all of the runners that I take back to the upside, which is obviously fantastic. So, like I said, my model, we hit 1R, I take half my position off, so about $100. I go break even on the rest of the trade, and then as far as I'm concerned, this is a free trade now. And then I just allow my runners, usually 2 or 3 more micros, to continue up, and I'll start scaling out depending on how far up we get. So I just watched the price action here, and then we came up, we hit 50% here, and I was thinking this was quite a bearish reaction to 50%. So I was basically just watching this and seeing what happened next. We kind of ground back to the downside, started chopping around here, and then I was thinking, okay, I'll wait and see what happens when we head to the next macro. Going into 12 o'clock here, you can see really great push to the upside again. Once we came and reswept this high, I started trailing my second micro, which I took on this position. I started trailing it after this pump to the upside here. And you can see I think I got up to around a 3-to-1 on this second micro before it got stopped in profit. So I'm up to around $100, $150, $200 on that micro. So I'm already up $300, and I'm down to my final runner at this point. And I'm just thinking I'm just going to try and target up towards this high up here. That would be a nice 4 or 5-to-1. Obviously this would be about $300 or $400 since I'm scaling out my position on the way up. So I'm thinking I've got one more micro. I've just left it at break even. I'm just going to watch what happens. And if you watch price action here, we obviously chop around a bit, and then we're going into open here. As you can see, we come up and we hit this high, and I'm thinking, okay, let's see what happens. We come down, and then I'm thinking, okay, maybe we're going to be bearish. But once I see this really good reaction, I just basically started trailing my stop loss below every 5 minute here. So I trailed to here, and then I trailed up to here, just below this 5 minute, and then I trailed again up to here, and then I trailed up to here, and then I was thinking, okay, we're obviously going to hit this high, and then we came up and hit the high up here for around 7 or 8R, and at this point I started trailing really close because I was thinking, okay, we're definitely going to reverse from this level. And I think I ended up getting stopped on my final runner up here for around a 7 or an 8R on that final trade. Made about $500, $600 on this trade overall. Made $100 on the scale at 1R. Made about $150 on the scale at 2R or 3R in this area here. And the final runner made me about $300 on its own because of the incredible move that we made here of like literally about 200, 300 points. I think I made about $400 on that final runner. Overall, I had a really, really good day. And it was just such a simple trade. And it was just conviction, holding for higher prices, as you can see. And this trade was absolutely fantastic. It just was so simple, really. And quite often, these simple trades are the ones that make me the most money because it's just simple, very, very easy. Just wait for sweeps, enter with good size, have targets above. As you can see, we're clearly bullish. We've got really obvious liquidity up here that we were targeting, and you can see if I just wind this on, this actually just continued again and again and again. You could have potentially trailed this for even more profit, as you can see, but I was quite happy with this trade. I made about $600 or $700 per account, which is about the maximum for me because of consistency rules on the prop firms that I'm trading. But as you can see, absolutely fantastic trade. In hindsight, really, really, really obvious. Obviously opening up here, fully recovering and filling this gap, so we're bullish. We sweep liquidity, and then we're obviously just bouncing and targeting above. Pretty much every single time that we came down and swept liquidity here, as you can see, this one, and this one, they all just bounced to the upside, so a very bullish trend day, and just catching the trend to the upside was my goal. So really, really good trade yesterday. I actually did a video yesterday where I was in this in live time, and I had to end the video because I wanted to manage the trade, but as you can see, this worked out absolutely beautifully for me. And this happens all the time. I know for a fact that there was a few times in the past few weeks where I've taken these really obvious 5 minute bullish gaps. I think this was one here as well. You can see this one that I took last Monday, which was the 5 minute. I actually took the 30-second, which was down here, and the 5 minutes, so my average entry was like here. And I basically got about a 3R out of this one as well. This was a really obvious one. We just swept major liquidity to the left, as you can see here. And then we came back. We came back up. We kind of consolidated after sweeping it. No inverses, and then we swept the low again and inversed. Perfect 3 candle pattern, 4 candle pattern V shape here, but still you can see the idea. Really obvious V shape. Target liquidity above, and it worked out again. These work out so often for me, it's quite ridiculous, to be honest. There was also an OPEX one. I don't really trade on OPEX, I only trade half size, because OPEX is a little bit of a weird day to trade because of all the manipulation, but you can see this one also worked. Basically just sweeping liquidity. We came down and swept this low here. As you can see, 4 candle pattern V shape for this one, but still you can see the V shape in hindsight is really obvious. And then basically just enter on the inversion, target 1 for 1, and then target 2 for 1, and there you go. Very, very simple. Loads and loads of trades like this happen every single week. Usually on a good week I'll get 3 or 4 absolutely really nice trades. January's been a little bit weird. I know a lot of people are break even this month basically trading these kinds of strategies, these inverted fair value gap strategies, because it's been a little bit of a choppy month. There's been some trend days, but there's not really been loads of like really clean sweep and inversion setups. But overall, this has been working really well for me, and I'm very happy to share it with you, because honestly, this strategy is absolutely printing for me recently, and I'm having a great time with it. So if you did get some value from this, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, especially just dropping a like. Hype the video in the comments, ask me questions in the comments, let me know what you think. And like I said, if you want to get alerts for all of my trades, you can get them in the description below. Sign up for the WAP and you'll get the private Discord, and then you can get yourself some alerts for all the trades I take. And I alerted this trade yesterday, and the people in there probably made about a 5R, maybe even a 10R, depending on how long they held. But at the very least, I alerted this in live time in there, and it was an absolute banger. So as always, like I said, thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Cheers.